Start speaking English with me. Just listen, repeat, and improve your spoken English from day one. Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English Daily Series. In this video, you practice speaking 10 basic sentences used in office conversation during the meetings. This video is perfect for beginners, Hindi speakers, students who understand English but cannot speak English, anyone afraid of speaking English. Practice speaking these simple English sentences. Just listen, repeat, and speak confidently. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about mistakes. This is video part 2 of 50 daily office English sentences. 10 sentences used during the meetings. Let's begin. That's a good idea. Repeat slowly. That's a good idea. Repeat confidently. That's a good idea. What do you think? Repeat slowly. What do you think? Repeat confidently. What do you think? I agree with you. Repeat slowly. I agree with you. Repeat confidently. I agree with you. I'm not sure about that. Repeat slowly. I am not sure about that. Repeat confidently. I'm not sure about that. Can you please explain this again? Repeat slowly. Can you please explain this again? Repeat confidently. Can you please explain this again? Let's discuss this later. Repeat slowly. Let's discuss this later. Repeat confidently. Let's discuss this later. Can we schedule another meeting? Repeat slowly. Can we schedule another meeting? Repeat confidently. Can we schedule another meeting? We need to finish this today. Repeat slowly. We need to finish this today. Repeat confidently. We need to finish this today. So let's focus on the main topic. Repeat slowly. So let's focus on the main topic. Repeat confidently. So let's focus on the main topic. Let's move to the next point. Repeat slowly. Let's move to the next point. Repeat confidently. Let's move to the next point. Did you practice speaking with me? Great job. Every sentence you speak makes you more confident from day one. Now save this video and practice speaking again. This time, imagine the situation. Think and speak. Comment done after your practice. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Like and share the video if you found it helpful. Want to learn more work-related sentences? Follow part 3. 50 office English sentences.